is Jenna Phillips from I'mOnAmission.com, and I'm here to show you an awesome bodyweight exercise that'll work your hamstrings. And it's cool because you don't need a gym. You can do it at home, and all you need is your sexy body weight. So first you're gonna lay on your back. Find an awesome place where you can be comfortable, and you're gonna bend your legs. You're gonna lift your leg. So we're gonna do a single-legged pelvic lift. So this leg goes straight up. You want it to be right above your amazing, beautiful hips, and you're gonna lift up and then down. So this really isolates the hamstrings, uses your core. Your back is totally stabilized as you come all the way up. So your entire core, your abs, your back muscles, everything's getting worked, and your hamstrings are getting some serious tension. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 20 reps on the first side, then you're gonna stop and repeat and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure that every single part of your body is working. So your toes are nice and pointed, your feet are strong, your legs are working. You're gonna lift and squeeze and then bring it back down. And I like to exhale as I come up, because it reminds me to contract my abs and really squeeze everything. And then you're done. And you can, of course, repeat this as many times as you would like. My name is Jenna Phillips from I'mOnAmission.com, and this is the bodyweight exercise that works your hamstrings. See you guys later.